I did a modification regarding the reverse stitch length. This is the lever, and normally it will only go to about here. Then you get a reverse stitch length of about 2 millimeters. In forward direction you can get about 4 millimeters in stitch length. I tried then to cut out the plastics here so I could move the lever more. I have looked into the mechanics of the stitch length regulator, and I do not see any reason why you shouldn't be able to increase the reverse stitch length like I do here. Please be aware that you lubricate the stitch length regulator, because I have seen machines where this regulator was quite dry. When I did this, I cut out so it can't go further without me cutting in the metallic part, the steel part here. The reverse stitch length came up to 3.5 millimeters. So not quite as long as the forward stitch length. But I've tried to remove this lever and turned the mechanism here further up, and then it is able to make reverse stitch length of 4 millimeters. So if you will start to grind a bit in the steel frame, it is possible for you to get a 4 millimeter reverse stitch length. The movement is also a little odd, so I'll try to show you how the movements look like here. Now I go forward. And now I go reverse as long as I can. You may see that when it moves forward, it also starts to go lower before it is actually finishing the stroke when it goes in reverse here. So it can make the reverse stitch length a bit uncertain. Okay.